All
We
right.
got another Optimist.
We do. This is the third one. Optimist is a brand that is in LA. We tried their smoky and we've tried their bright, I believe.
Mm-hmm.
And now we're trying fresh. And this has Juniper, Cilantro, lime peel, Fennel, Lovage, Basil, Angelica root, red thyme, Tarragon, Jasmine, Habanero, Oregano, and Tangerine. Allegedly.
Yeah, I don't know how you can have so many flavors together and not like have them stepping all over each other. But these guys have some copy that's on the bottles that sometimes kind of reaches for the sky. It says, taste wild herbs, pine, and fresh canyon air. In case you are a connoisseur of tasting fresh canyon air.
Some people love it. This is...
It smells, wow.
This does smell like pine.
It does.
There's a lot going on in that sip. They are stepping on each other's toes. A little bit. I get a little bit of the juniper first. It really has a medicinal flavor to me.
I was going to say that it tastes kind of like a bar of soap. It's really
herbal.
Herbal.
That's one word for it. Very herbal. There's no sugar. I appreciate that. There's no heat though either.
Yeah, no heat at all. Considering it has habanero in it, it should have at least just a little dash of heat or something.
Yeah, no. Fennel? Yeah, I guess I can taste a little bit of fennel. I don't
Basil, definitely get that basil-y kind of.
Yeah, that's like a sharp green. Sharp green is what I'm getting. Well, let's try it in their signature cocktail, which is just with tonic water and soda water.
One of the things we like about the Optimist bottles is they have these beautiful... They're a beautiful bottle. They're kind of different, and the stopper is glass.
Mm-hmm.
And that's a little kind of disconcerting.
That's freaking me out a little. Oops.
A master distiller in downtown LA helped craft the 3 original recipes. Inspired by the varied landscapes and diverse cultures of this city. Okay. I love that copy. It always makes me smile.
And as you can see, we've got some lovely Japanese snacks to eat along with it. We'll see if the flavors hold up with something salty.
Very important.
And crunchy. Give mine a little stir, so it's just 2 ounces of each of these.
I think the rosemary is a good addition to this flavor profile.
Cheers.
Cheers. Yeah, now it's kind of like cough syrup.
Medicinal. Let's have some corn chips. Yeah. No, it's not my favorite out of the 3. I had high hopes. The other 2 were really good. Really enjoyed both of the smoky and the bright. Made several different things out of them.
Yeah. I don't even think all the bitters could save it.
No. It's already got way too many flavors going on in here.
Yeah.
We need to cut it with something sharper or sweeter.
Yeah, it's definitely a case of less is more.
I feel like if I'm going to drink this many herbs and spices in one drink, I'm going to have Wilderton.
Yeah, absolutely. Now, here's a question. What about seed lip?
It's stronger flavor profile than seed lip. I feel like when I put seed lip in with tonic or with soda water, it dilutes it too much. And I miss the only one out of the 3 seed lips that I really like is their garden, which has like a pea shoot or kind of salad tasting fresh herb flavor, which I really enjoy.
All right. Well, drinkability?
5.
5. Is it a 5 or is it a sub-average? I don't know.
mean, it's
If
not
I never drank this
offensive.
again.
It's not like that spritz we tried in a can. That one was no good.
Would this maybe be in the classification of almost a gin, given how much juniper is in there?
Yeah, I think
And the kind of
if you were going to go down that route of trying to put a label on it and say what could it be considered, possibly a gin with the juniper, but
in terms of like a very complex botanical profile with like you don't want to drink it
yeah,
by itself too very much. I mean, because that's what we're doing here. We're mixing it right with the tonic water. We're really treating it like a gin and tonic.
Yeah.
How much was this, and where?
Well, I bought it as a 3-pack, and
Right.
so they were around, I think, $28 or $29 each bottle.
So
So not inexpensive for 500 milliliters. But I would not buy the 3-pack again. I would choose one or the other. Probably Smoky is my top out of the 3 right now.
Yeah.
I find it's the most versatile. It can really add a nice smoky note to other cocktails, which I appreciate.
Yeah, its smokiness is very nice. And it had some decent heat, too. This doesn't even...
Nope.
No heat.
Nope.
So, sorry, Optimist.